Hello guys, so today we are going to play a game that is like Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna find the game here because it's in here. And where is it? Okay, there. External Nights. This game it's scary. It says warning, this game contains flashing lights, intense jump scares, blood and other disturbing elements. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Nights. Doing the game. Yeah, this is a cool game. I know it. I just know it. Let me just wait a bit. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, why is the game not loading? I think it's loaded. This game contains loud sounds, flashing lights, blood, and scares that might cause discomfort for some people. Guys, so if y'all maybe, if y'all may be a bit scared, y'all can leave my video if y'all because this will be scary. Let's let's start. Select night. Let's make it private so just difficulty. Oh, let's start normal default. Create. Okay, so we are starting now. Okay, start. We're gonna wait till it's loading and this is not that scary. Also in the game I have an unknown panel, but I'm not gonna use this scary. That's extremely scary. What is this? My walking window. Relax. Oh, yeah. I just know this is going to end well. I'm sure of it. Why is so much fear, guys? We can grab a snack. Yeah, I mean, for that I whatever. I'm scared of really keep me up, but I couldn't living. Yes, all this for a snack series is not oh, come on, okay, in the car. Is this if everyone dies, we will lose all equip items. Confirm. I don't want to buy the closet. I can't what to look another way to recharge this box. What's the tip? Is a cereal to know facility. Don't say I don't. I play this games. Okay, okay, so no. the walls. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Like, oh, the one of the map. We'll put this. Put it there. You got that. This back out. Oh yeah, that. That's not what I say. Let's go, let's go, 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 go. Oh my gosh, get out there. So what's the security room? Right now, let's see. I just here can just open files. Okay, the security room is it says here is here. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Okay, it's here. I can repeat the door. Okay, okay, let's check this. Enter in the front area. Look for a camera. Please keep it short. To hold it button. Front areas. Puppet. What the puppet? I can't find it. Where is it? Not, not here, not here. Where actually that is to up there is the one see it, go back, go this space check right now, right now. Stop G other frontier guys. I just heard is there scared. Bro, I just already coming. There's already a monster coming, bro. There's one here. What do you see here? Super. If you are out of power, if you the world would be out of my home, what is there warning? What in on the employees? No, bro. Hide. Oh god. God. Red. I saw something red. What's that sound? What's that sound? So, god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I took it out. Leave. Watch it was right. But wait. Did you see not, bro? I need to breathe. I need to breathe. 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 Oh, yeah, it's bad. It's actually really right. Oh my crouch. Chica didn't see my birthday. So that to see all of the next episode. Also, this game is yeah, I'm playing more. But soon. Bye guys. Yeah.